For the next few lessons, students will need to access up-to-date resources. Each planet can be researched from the NASA website. Search www.nasa.gov and then type the name of a planet you would like to study in the search box. Students can also find good information from a Christian worldview from the website listed in the introductory video. Parents should consider planning a trip to an observatory so students can see Mercury, Venus, and Mars through a telescope. Even inexpensive telescopes can show details on the planets, but space objects can be clearly seen through a more powerful lens. Many universities have observatories in various places in the U.S. The Rainwater Observatory in French Camp, Mississippi, has regular opportunities to view objects from their powerful telescopes. They have interesting lectures on current events in space and current star maps. They will also send out free newsletters. See www.rainwaterobservatory.org. Have students complete the chart in their student journal as they find information about each planet. If parents so wish, they may want to preview some of the sites to avoid organizations that take a naturalistic, evolution-only approach to the origins. When students finish their chart, let them check their answers on the chart in the Student Teacher Guide on page 46. If they should find information from an up-to-date site that does not agree with the official answers, assume that the most recent information is correct.